Good afternoon, students. Welcome to data processing class. Our topic for today is networking. Now, at the end of this lesson, you should be able to define computer network, list and describe 3 types of computer network, and state 3 benefits of computer network. What is a computer network? A computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other so as to share information and resources. Users can share information and resources on the computer network. As you can see in the diagram, we have different network users that are connected to a switch and a file server. So a network user can share information with another network user, and also a printer can also be shared among each of these users as long as they are in the network. Now, why do we need a network? Now, let's consider this scenario. Mr. Bayo works on the 3rd floor of a building that has 6 floors. He needs to submit his report via soft copy to the manager every Friday before the close of work, and the manager works on the 6th floor. Now, will he need to copy his reports to a flash drive or any other storage media and add it over to the manager? No. Network can solve this problem. If all the computers in the organization are on a network, then it can submit his report right from a system to the manager. Let us consider another scenario. An organization that has an open space office where 7 staff work for the CEO, and they are all using computer system. Now, each staff needs to print reports regularly. Now, will the CEO now buy a printer for each staff? That should now make 7 printer. No. Network can allow just 1 printer to be shared among the 7 staff, thereby reducing cost of buying 1 printer each, and also reducing cost of maintenance of each printer. So a network allows sharing of resources and information among staff of an organization, individuals working in the same environment, and so on like that. Now we go to types of network. Now, there are many different types of computer network, but in this lesson, we are going to consider these 4 types. 1. Local area network, which is a LAN. Wireless local area network, which is a WLAN. Wide area network, which is the WAN. And metropolitan area network, which is the MAN. Now, local area network. Now, local area network is a type of network where computers and devices are connected to a central device or a server within a small geographical area. Now, this small geographical area can be within an office, it can be within a building, it can be within a commercial establishment, or it can be between 2 buildings that are close to each other. But the geographical area of a local area network is small. Look at a simple LAN setup in the diagram on the screen. This type of network can be used within an office, or within a computer lab, or within different offices in an organization. So a LAN is a simple type of network. The next type of network I'll talk about is the wireless local area network. Now, a wireless local area network is a wireless computer network that links 2 or more devices using wireless communication within a limited area, such as a home, a school, an office building, a computer lab, etc. Now, in a wireless network, users have the ability to move around as long as they are still within the coverage area of the wireless. Now, looking at the diagram, you will see a wireless access point that is transmitting signal to different devices around it. Now, as long as the user is still within the coverage area of the access point, then users can get connected to the network. But once they are outside the range of this wireless signal, then they can't connect to the network. Now we go to metropolitan area network. Now, a metropolitan area network is a computer network that connects users with computer resources in a geographical location or region that is bigger than a local area network but smaller than the area covered by a wide area network. So in most cases, metropolitan area network refers to network that exists within a city. For instance, let's say a company has several branches within a city, one located in Ikotun, one located in Ikeja, one located in Surulere, and each of the branches are connected together. This is a form of metropolitan area network. Now, looking at the diagram in front of you depicts a metropolitan area network. Now, this is a school that has 4 different branches in different locations. One in Ikeja, one in Surulere, another one in Ikotun, and another one in Festac. Now, each of these branches have their own separate local area network, and they are now linked together such that a staff in Surulere can communicate with another staff in Ikotun. So this type of network is a metropolitan area network because they are still within the same city. Now we go to the wide area network. A wide area network is a network that exists over a very large geographical area. One area network can exist between 2 or more states or 2 or more countries. Now, a one connects different smaller networks, which can include a local area network and also metropolitan area network. And the biggest form of wide area network is the internet. The internet is the biggest network that exists, and it is a wide area network. Now, looking at the diagram in front of you is a wide area network. An organization has a branch in Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. Also note that the Lagos branch can have different sub-branches in different locations. Same goes for Abuja and Port Harcourt. Now, but the Lagos branch is now linked with the Abuja branch and also Port Harcourt branch, such that they can communicate among themselves. Now, this is a type of wide area network. Now, what are the benefits of a computer network? 1. Network helps to enhance connectivity. 2. Network help in sharing hardware resources such as your printer, your disk drive, scanner, and so on like that. You can share all this between or among the users in a network. Now, data, files, and information can also be shared through the use of network. Now, networking utilizes a centralized database. It means that you can store all your data in one single location or on a single computer, and the users now access the centralized database using a network. 5. Network help in securing valuable information. All your valuable information can be stored in a location where unauthorized access is prohibited, or where users with unauthorized access cannot gain access to.